Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph, and today I'm going to share 7 reasons that I love and hate the IKEA smart blinds. Number 1 thing that I love is the price. I've been wanting to get a smart remote controlled blind in my office for a while now, and I used to have a old roller shade that you had to move up and down, and it was just getting so annoying. Sometimes it would get stuck and it was too much. So I did some research and found a lot of options out there, but they were all really expensive. And then I came across this IKEA one, and it was $179, which is still expensive, but way lower price than any of the ones I saw. So that is a major plus that I love about these. Number 2, ease of use. So here I'm going to show you quickly how I installed this. Number 1, I just took off the old roller shade really easily right here. And here Mom and I were determining where we wanted to place the shade. It's tall enough that it could have been right at the ceiling, but we decided to put it just right above the window. And then we removed these 2 clips from the shade and put them on the wall, and the shade clips right into place. And this is all powered by one battery that goes right here in the unit. And there are 3 ways you can control this. Number 1 is at the shade itself. Number 2 is with the remote. And number 3, you can get a gateway from IKEA, which will allow you to use the smart feature on the IKEA app on your phone. And if you're wondering about the battery life, I installed this back in October. It's now January, and I have not had to charge the battery. Number 3 thing that I love is the simple remote. So this is the remote right here. It has 2 buttons, up and down. It also has this handy magnetic mount on the wall that just easily connects to when you need to remove it, or you could just leave it on the wall. Number 4 thing I love is it works. I've had 0 issues with it. I just use the remote. I can push the up button and this goes up right in the morning for me. You don't have to stand there and wait for it. And also you can set it to a down level so that it will automatically end at whatever level you want. So all I do is push the down button and it will stop right there at the bottom. Number 5 thing that I love is good customer service. So when I was installing this, I did have this weird little issue that I'm not going to go into here because it's kind of hard to explain. And I did some research and I tried to find the answer, did some troubleshooting, couldn't figure it out. So I contacted customer service and let them know, and they actually sent me a new remote and all of the little mechanisms that I would need to get it working again. Well, during the time that they were sending me this, while I was waiting for it, I actually found this weird Reddit thread online that actually answered my question. I was able to fix it myself, so I didn't need this, but I really appreciated their customer service, that they were quick and tried to respond to my issue as quick as they could. Alright, number 6 is something that I hate. I'm sorry, but their instructions are very limited. I think if you've used anything IKEA, you're probably familiar with this. The instructions were really simple, but too simple, because like I said, I had that kind of issue and I had to go online to see if I could find an answer, and I did find some troubleshooting on IKEA's website that I'll put a link to below. But ultimately, like I said, I had to contact them. I was able to find the answer on the internet, which I'll put a link to that as well. But their instructions were a little too limiting, especially for something like this. I wish there was a little bit more detail in there. And number 7, another thing I hate is there's not enough sizes. So this is 48 inches across, and that's the longest one that they have. So they do have other sizes, but they're all smaller. And all the rest of my windows in the house are wider than 48 inches, so I can't put these anywhere else. But I do wish they had some wider ones and maybe be able to customize them a little bit more. But overall, I have loved this. It's very easy to use and it just works, so I highly recommend it. If you have any questions about this, I'll try to answer those in the comments below. And if you like this, and if you're wondering, Mom is in fact here. She is behind the camera. She just sneezed. Normal sneeze. I have dogs. It happens sometimes. So say hi, Mom.
Hi. Sorry.
That was great. Great timing there, Mom. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Give us a big thumbs up on this video, and thanks for joining us. Bye.